peck trunks to build their nests and find food. Some can 15 to 20 seconds. Between two pecks, less than time the bird's beak strikes the tree, shock waves are set up inside its head. But its cherry-sized brain is unaffected by these. The woodpecker's secret: when it begins pecking, its beak and neck are exactly aligned. The slightest deviation from this could lead to tearing inside the brain. There is this high-speed pecking concrete. The fact that the bird's brain comes to no harm is made possible by means of an extraordinary are fused together. The movement of its jaw opens the beak. In the woodpecker, however, a rubbery substance pecking separates the beak and the skull. The substance is far superior to the shock absorbers in cars. This superiority stems from the fact that very short interval this material caused by one strike pace of a strike greater than in a second. This substance is superior equivalent developed by present technology. The fact pecker's skull and top beak are joined in an extraordinary way permits the area containing the brain from the beak at every strike, and thus gives rise to a second shock absorbing mechanism.